here. So if you're an acoustic solo performer and needs to play Ventura Highway, those two guitar parts in the intro together at the same time, stick around, this might help you out. So the first guitar plays this on the 5th fret and 7th fret. Right? The second guitar plays this at the same time. So we're gonna take most of them and combine them and harmonize them, okay? So you can think of a D major bar chord, but you're gonna take half of it, the upper strings, the thinner strings. First string, second string, and third string, right? Think of the shape this way. So, but we're gonna pluck first the 2 strings, first and second. We're hammering on the 4th finger on the 7th fret and pull up, okay? We do that because, right, that's the first guitar. Second guitar does this. But we can't do that at the same time. It's physically impossible. So we're just gonna take this, okay? Then we fret the 7th fret, 2nd and 3rd string, and pluck that, like that, okay? There you go. Then we take like an A shape, but only the 2nd and 3rd string. Okay, we pluck that. And this is the tricky part. We hammer on the 7th fret of 2nd and 3rd string with your 3rd and 4th finger and pull off. Okay? So that's the tricky part there. So alright. After that, we move down here. We take like an A major, right? But we only take the 2nd and 3rd string and we bar it with our 1st finger. Okay. So from here, right? Then we pluck it again. Then hammer on this 4th fret and 3rd fret. Okay, 4th, 3rd string, and 2nd string. We have this. Okay. Then we pluck these 2 strings, 1st and 2nd string, 2nd fret and 3rd fret. Alright, so put it into context. Let's do that again from the beginning. Okay, once you reach that part, you just pluck this 2 strings, 2nd and 3rd string. Your fingers are already there, so you just need to pluck it. So we have, there you go. What I do is, because I feel more comfortable doing this whole thing, okay? G major 7. Then my thumb goes here, 3rd fret of the 6th string to play the whole chord, but I mute the A string with my thumb, okay? So far we have. There you go. So this is for acoustic players, so solo players, okay? You want it thick, right? So there you go. Then you do the same thing. This time, you end on D major 7. Alright, so we have, there you go. Okay, so I start from the start. Then you just repeat that, sorry, so. Repeat it 4 times. You repeat that twice. add this before the vocals come in, okay? That's just a G major 7. Then release, first finger, you got an open E string, then put it back. We have that. Chewing a piece of grass, walking down the road. There, okay? That's it. I'm gonna try to put the tablature and display the tablature while this is playing. While I'm playing. Alright, so let's try it again. 3, 4. And the verse is just G major 7, D7, G major 7. You got a F sharp minor 7. And you also have an E minor. That's where free wind is blowing through your hair. The days surround your daylight bed. Okay. And the main chorus. Ventura Highway in the sun. Just G major 7, D7. D major 7. Okay? Google the chords. Well, at least now you can play the intro, right? Alright, there you go. I hope this helps you out. Good luck on your guitar journey, and I'll see you in the next one.